People will tell you prefab is always better. People will tell you traditional is always better. They're both wrong, and here's the actual answer. Let's settle this properly. Prefab versus traditional construction. No marketing, no bias, just the real comparison. Speed. Prefab wins, and it's not close. Factory fabrication runs parallel to site preparation. Total project timelines are typically 30 to 50% shorter than equivalent traditional builds. If time is money, and in construction, it always is, this matters enormously. Cost. Prefab wins on average, typically by 20 to 40%. But this gap narrows on complex custom projects. The more bespoke your design, the less you benefit from factory standardization. Design flexibility. Traditional construction wins here. Stick-built methods can accommodate almost any geometry, any material, any change mid-build, with a cost penalty, but it's possible. Prefab works best when designs respect modular dimensions. Quality control. Prefab wins. Factory conditions mean consistent temperature, no weather exposure during assembly, machine-level precision, and multi-stage quality checks before anything ships to site. Rain doesn't warp your wall panels when they're built indoors. Financing. Traditional wins, slightly. More lenders are familiar with traditional builds. Prefab financing is catching up, but in some markets it's still a harder conversation with a bank. Resale and perception. Traditional wins in some markets. Prefab stigma is fading fast, but it hasn't disappeared everywhere. In progressive urban and peri-urban markets, it's a non-issue. In conservative rural markets, some buyers still hesitate. The honest summary. If you are building a single, highly customized home with no time pressure and easy bank access, traditional construction is a perfectly valid choice. If you are building efficiently, sustainably, to a budget, and with a timeline that matters,